Today we're going to take a look at a pair of confusing words. Just one? Yeah, we only have so much time. Come on. Q-U-I-E-T. Quiet. Quiet. Meaning silent or calm. Shh, quiet. Or I'm going to quiet my body. Got it. Now, take the E and the T and reverse them, and you get Q-U-I-T-E, which is quite. Quite. Meaning to a certain extent. I am quite happy to have you here. Oh, got it. Or we are quite sure that you will enjoy your time at our hotel. Oh, all right. Perfect. Quiet, meaning silent and calm. Quite, meaning to a certain extent. Why does English have so many words that are oh so close and yet oh so far away? I mean, this one is just the same letters, only one little switch. I don't know, but now you can read and understand and pronounce this sentence, I hope. The students are quite capable of being quiet in the library. What? Come on, English. Do you have a pair of words that you find confusing? Or can you make a sentence with quiet or quite? Leave them in the comments. Peace, friends.